Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where you'll see a band of cloud extending across South Africa on Saturday, resulting in a few thundershowers over parts of the Northern Cape and Mpumalanga, as well as some light rain over parts of the Free State, with a few larger thunderstorms forming over the interior part of the Eastern Cape. Scattered thunderstorms are expected over the southeastern and eastern interior overnight, isolated though as we head over the northern and northeastern interior, and we're expecting some light rain over the far southern part of South Africa overnight. Now, speaking of rain, cloudy and wet weather moves in over the eastern part of the Eastern Cape, with some of that rain extending through to KwaZulu-Natal on Sunday. Isolated thundershowers are expected in the northeast, with scattered thunderstorms over the southeastern parts, and then a fine and dry forecast in the west. Here's our rainfall probability map for tonight, with scattered thunderstorms over much of the Free State, as well as parts of KwaZulu-Natal, the Eastern Cape and Mpumalanga, isolated as we head towards the Northern Cape and the northwest, as well as along the east coast, with a 40% chance of light rain over the southern part of the country. Things remain dry in Cape Town though, with a minimum temperature of 16 degrees, with a light to moderate southerly wind bringing in some cloud. And then tomorrow we're forecasting a high of 27 in the heat of the day, with some cloud overhead, and of course with the Cape cycle tour occurring early on in the day, we're expecting a mild to warm day with a southeasterly wind of between 15 and 30 kilometers per hour. Light winds are forecast over South Africa's interior all the way through to Sunday, with a southwesterly wind along the east coast, and you'll see a southeasterly wind over the southwestern part of South Africa, with wind speeds of around 30 kilometers per hour, especially in False Bay. Overnight we're forecasting warm conditions along the east coast. Durban with a minimum temperature of 22 degrees, 18 for Pietermaritzburg and Bombela, 17 as we head into Pretoria, Mahikeng and Kimberley, and we head into the mid-teens from Springbok all the way through to Port Elizabeth, with Sutherland dropping to 8 degrees overnight. You'll see a warmer day across South Africa, other than over the southern parts. 38 degrees for Uppington. We head into the mid-20s along the Eastern Cape Coast. Mild for George at 23, 27 for Durban, and Richards Bay, Polokwane and Johannesburg all expecting a high just shy of 30 degrees. On Monday we're forecasting thundershowers mainly for Gauteng and parts of the northwest and Limpopo. Dry for the rest of South Africa, with a sunny and hot forecast over the western parts. And then on Tuesday we're expecting partly cloudy and hot weather for the majority of the country, with the possibility of rain on Tuesday night for Port Elizabeth and East London. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.